Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the building permit of the modular brick ceiling in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Modular Street, and at this event there is a battle pass that in here you can get any cool rewards, and one of them is building permit modular brick ceiling like this. And to get these rewards, you need to reach level 7 first, battle pass level 7 like this, and then to level it up until this level, you need to collect the festival points. That you can get these festival points from the town festival catalog like this. That in here you can just complete the quest, and then you can unlock the festival points on here like this, and that it's available each week like this. And then you can get the festival points from the collections rewards like this, and then you can get it from the daily quest or weekly quest. And after you successfully reach this level 7, you will unlock this building permit modular brick ceiling automatically, and it will add it to your build mode, and you can just use it from there to build your home. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.